suppose your startup grows, and for example, like Zomato. So now you'll have thousands of people working in your startup. Storing the data of so many people would be very difficult and very expensive at the same time, because at one point your device's space will run out, and then you'll have to find external storage devices like hard drives and all to store the data. That will be a very expensive thing, because then you'll have to like employ a team for the backup and all that as well. So basically, what cloud technology does, it helps you reduce your cost. How does it do it? Suppose if you have a storage problem, then what if there was this remote device or remote machine where you can store your data and you can access it anytime you want with the help of internet? That is cloud technology is. Or you can also, if suppose you are making a machine learning model and it requires a lot of processing power, which usually machine learning models do, and you don't have a device with that powerful processors, then you either buy a new device which has powerful processors, you use someone else's remote servers uh, to like compile your code and all that. That is what basically cloud technology is. That is like a remote hosting service or remote storage servers, etc., that helps you do certain tasks just with the help of internet and at a nominal cost as well. Right, so this was technology is. Now, if we talk about why we should start learning cloud technology, can you please move to the next slide? The next slide. Yes. What a why you should learn cloud technology, right? So basically, as you can see, cloud skills are in high demand, and by high demand, I mean that the cloud field has seen a 33% rise in the last 3 years, which is a huge uh, digit. Now, approximately a third of HR professionals report digital badges currently carry weight in the hiring process as of 2020. Uh, when you will be participating in the 30 days of cloud, you will be getting badges, skill badges for every lab you finish. So that post them on your LinkedIn account, and uh, there are reports which says that HRs, one third of the HR professionals have said that those badges does carry some weight in your resume. So that will be a plus point. Next is Google Cloud has an advantage of machine learning and AI offerings. So as I said in the example, that you can use Google Cloud services for your machine learning technologies. We all know that AI is in these days. Why? Because the amount of data generated is, so the big companies want to utilize data for marketing and all that. Therefore, it will be a plus point using Google Cloud to like use Google Cloud for ML and AI. Okay, so now that we know what a cloud technology is and why we should start learning it, let's come back to the main point, which is the 30 days of Google Cloud. What is 30 days of Google Cloud? Can you move to the next slide? Yes. So what is 30 days of Google Cloud? It is basically an initiative by the developers at Google, the Google Cloud team, in collaboration with all the GDSCs all around the world. Now, fortunately, we do have a GDSC at our college, so all the people in our college can participate in this program. But for those people who don't have any GDSC, they can participate, but they'll have to participate through GDSCs of some other college. Right. Now, what basically this program is, it is a 30 days of Google Cloud program, which provide you an opportunity to kickstart your career in cloud and get hands-on practice on Google Cloud. the tool that powers apps like Google Search, Gmail, and YouTube. Well, what you will be getting is you will be getting 30 days of free access to the Google Cloud, to some selected Google Cloud services, and you'll be getting acquainted with what Google Cloud is, how some different services of cloud works, and all that. And if you ever get stuck, you'll have your campus facilitator, which for this session is me, who are specially trained on Google Cloud for help. So we'll be conducting a lot of sessions about demo sessions as well as doubt sessions about this 30 days of Google Cloud program. So if you participate, you will get all the help you need if you get stuck anywhere. Right, now let's talk about how to participate. And can you move to the next slide? Right, so the registration starts from no, the previous slide. Yes, so the registration 22nd of September, 5 p.m. IST. We'll be sharing the Google Forms with all of you. And please note that only the registrations will close after 50,000 registrations are there. So I would recommend that you register, that you don't end up being not being able to register in this program, right? And the actual program will start from 27th of September to October 7th. For those people who have already took part in this program before, the thing is, you can participate, you can still participate this year, but you please make sure that you fill the form with an email ID which is new, like you didn't take part with that email ID in the previous cloud program as well. You have to make a new ID and you have to use that for registration. Otherwise, your credits will not be counted. Also, all your credits will be counted only from 27th of September. If you do anything before that, they won't be counted and you won't be getting the prizes or goodies. So please make sure that you start from 27th September and end before October 27th. Right, now what cloud is, why you should learn it, what is 30 days of Google Cloud, and how you can participate. Now let's talk about the rewards and the goodies that you will be getting if you participate in this program. Next slide, please. Right, so basically there are two tracks in this program. First there is track 1, which is cloud engineering track, and then there's track 2, which is machine learning track. You can complete both the tracks, or you can complete track that is totally up to you, whatever you like. But the goodies that you will be getting are based on the number of tracks that you complete. If you have completed either any one of the track, then you will be getting a t-shirt, a sticker sheet, and also an appreciation certificate from Google. Next slide, please. Yes, and if you complete both the tracks, you'll be getting a t-shirt, a sticker sheet, a laptop bag, and a zipper bottle, along with an appreciation certificate from Google. So these are the swags that you will be, if say you completed track 1 and then track 2, you'll be getting only one of these. Like if you complete both the tracks, you'll be just getting option 2 goodies. You won't be getting option 1 as well. So like please note that. Yeah, that was all about it, I guess. If you have any doubts, you can post it in the chat box.
Also, just keep an eye on the notification that we'll be sending out for the forms, because just like Khushbu said, there you'll be only able to register if you are in the top 50,000. And see, this is from all over the India, so you have to make sure that with this if you wanna just grab these all these things. Okay. Plus, To go about the cloud platform, we'll be conducting sessions. There will be two kind of sessions. First session would be there will be two kinds of sessions basically. An info session, like how to use platform, how to go about completing the labs, and plus another session will be a doubt session for you all, just like ask me anything session where you can just post your doubts and we'll be answering all your queries that you have during the program. So yes, basically it's all. Um,
If someone from my team can just share the link to the website, official website of Google Cloud
I have
in the chat box. Yes, thank you.
also we have shared our Instagram, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp group. You can also join our Discord where we'll be communication from for you all. So just make sure you are connected. You are connected with us in whichever way possible. About just one second. First track is all about cloud, uh, like using Kubernetes and managing cloud environments and all these things. Second track is second track is data science. That is deploying machine learning models on Google Cloud, and you using BigQueries and machine integrating machine learning APIs, exploring machine learning models. So this it basically revolves around machine learning. Second track. If you have any doubts, you can just post it on the chat, and we'll be happy to answer.
Kishore, you can do any one of the track or you can do both the tracks as well. It is totally up to you.
Also, though, just one thing that I would like to repeat is that if you have already registered for Google last year, you you can register this email ID. Yes, for this part, what to answer Ajay's question, I'd say that you need to use a new email ID to complete your tracks. We'll be sharing our other form links on our WhatsApp group, Discord, and LinkedIn wherever possible. Just make sure you are connected. Share. I'll share it once again if the chat is not visible. Saying that there are no doubts in chat, I think we can end this session. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining us. We'll be looking forward to seeing you in the program. digitally. You can.